Very often people come in to do prenuptial agreements or postnuptial agreements who are not very wealthy. On the postnuptial side, sometimes it's when a party's been strayed in the marriage, has been unfaithful, and it's a way to kind of recommit to the marriage. Typically that person is giving up a little bit of assets in the postnuptial agreement in an effort to continue to work on the marriage. On premarital agreements, I've had people come in for all sorts of reasons, but one of the ones that tends to show up might be someone who is part of a family business, and the family wants to protect their business. That young person may not really have anything yet except for the potential that they may have in their family's business. I've had couples come in who are working on asset protection. They know that maybe one of them has liability or potential liability with their job, and they don't want to subject their future spouse to that liability. So they agree to enter into a premarital agreement as a way to protect the spouse who doesn't have the risky occupation from the liability.